Hey friends, let's learn how to play Love Ain't No Stranger on guitar by Whitesnake. Let's jump straight in. So for our intro, start the second fret on the E, open D, second fret on the G. Then come to a G chord, we're going to play the third fret on the E, open D, open G, third fret on the B. An A, open A, second fret D, second fret G. And then we're playing this B, we're going to play second fret on the A, second fret on the D and hammer onto the fourth, and then second fret on the G and B. And we do that 5 times through, and then we finish on E minor and A there. And that's our clean intro. Then we have the heavy guitar. Let's have a look at that. So we're going to have a slide, and then we're just playing the fourth fret on the D and the G, second fret D and G, and then back to the fourth fret with lots of vibrato. So, then the next time we do 2 little mutes before we do that riff again, and then 4, 2, 4, do it again, 4, 2, 4, then do a palm mute on the open A. Play the A power chord 2 times, palm mute on the E, just open, and then the E chord or E power chord. And that's the next part of the intro. Let's play that. Then we have our verse. Let's do that. We're going to do another slide, and we do that same riff again. D and G, 4, 2, 4. Then again, 4, 2, 4, then go to an E power chord, then we're going to go to this F sharp over D, so play the second fret on the E, mute the A, open D, second fret G, third fret B, and then back to our riff, 4, 2, 4, and we do that 2 times for the verse. That's our verse, and then we go into our chorus, so we're going to have another slide, play the open D and G, and then we're going to palm mute the G chord, so just third fret and on the E and second fret on the A, and just and 2 and 3, so 5 times, and then play a D power chord, 2 palm mutes, or 2 mutes there, and then an A power chord, so then go back to the G again. Now don't play on the 1, we start on the 1, so 1 and 2 and 3, and back to the D, mute, mute, D, mute, mute, A, so then we do the G again, first one D, 2 mutes, A, back to the G again, and the D, mute, and A. So the mutes are just down, up, so let's play that. And then to finish off that chorus, we go another slide, back to our riff again, 4, 2, 4, and again. Now do the mutes here, 4, 2, 4, palm mute on the A, 2 A power chords, palm mute on the E, E power chords. So that last part of the chorus. So then go back to the verse, do that exactly the same as we did in the first verse. The chorus, do that the same, just leave out the last part. We're not playing the 4, 2, 4 again at the end of the chorus. We go straight into the solo. So let me show you the solo rhythm, and we'll do the solo at the end. So the first part of the solo rhythm is the same as the intro. Our A, our B. Then there's a weight there, and then we're jumping here. So second fret again on the E, but just play the open D, and and then go to the G and do the same thing again. Our G, our A, and our B. And we do that through 3 times. Then the last one we do the same again at the start. Our G, A, B, and then just play the D over F sharp, the G, and 2 A's. And that finishes off the solo rhythm there, and as we said, we'll do the solo at the end. Then from there go back to the intro, play it through 3 times and just finish on the E minor and the A. And then we have this next part here, we're going to do the slide. Our 4, 4 and D and G, 2, 4, and then play it again and slide. So do that again. Then another time, just 4, 2, 4, mute the A and then A power chord, mute the E and then the E power chord, and do that again. And then just 4, 2, 4, mute A. Then we're going to come up to the 9th fret D and G, and then 7th fret D and G, and 9th fret D and G. So it's fairly easy, let's do that up to speed. And from there we go back to the verse again, back to the chorus, and then we have this last outro part. Now the next clean part is going to be slightly different, still stay the same. The first part is the intro, to the G, to the A. Now it changes here, we're going to play 2nd fret on the A, 4th fret on the D, 2nd fret on the G, and then on the B, play 3 and pull off the 2. So. And then we do our weight like we did in the solo, 2nd fret E, open D, and then back to the G again, the A, and then just do our B the same as normal. Back to the first one, G, A, this one's going to change a little bit again, 2nd fret A, 2, hammer onto 4 on the D, 2nd fret G, 3, pull off the 2 on the B, and then 2 on the G. That's done with a heavy guitar, that last little bit. And when I'm playing that last 2, so we have, that's when the heavy guitar kicks in with the D over F sharp and plays the G, A, and B minor 2 times to finish the song. Now let's try the solo. So we're going to start with a bend on the 2nd fret on the G, and then play 4th fret G, 6th fret G, and then just do a little half bend and release on the 6. Play 4 again, slide back to 2, slide up to 4, and then play 4. So then start on the G, play 7, bend on the 9, tap on 14, still on the G, and then just play 9, 7, 9, and then we have 7, 6, D, 7, 9, 7, A, 9, 7, slide back to 5, 7, 5, 4, a little bend and release, and 7 there. And we have this little quick run, A, 4, 5, 7, and palm mute, and then D, 4, 5, slide up to 7, then go 9 on the D, G, 7, 9, 7, 9, B, 7, G, 9, B, 7, 9, slide up to 11, B, 10, 12, and then bend the 12, and then just play 12, 10, and then jump to E, bend the 12, and then play 12 again, 2 12s, and then a 12 on the B. Then we're going to slide up to 14 on the G, play 15B, 17B, and then bend on 17B, bend again 17B, play 17, 15, 14, and then to finish off bend on 19 on the E, and then just 19, 17, 19 on the B, 17 on the E, and do a bend on 19 on the B. And that's our solo there, let's play that.